so check it out. What we're doing is we're throwing a whopper plopper. I don't even know what color it is. It's blue back with a yellow stripe. So every time they jump and break water and are chasing those shad, just throw at them and reel it real slow and then pop, pop, pop. And man, they just flat eat it. It's, well, as you can see in the video, it's been a good morning so far. This point just seems to deliver every year about this time. I thought it might be a little bit early with no warmer than it's been, but it actually turned out to be really, really excellent this morning. Anyways, we're going to get back to fishing, but the little whopper plopper seems to be really doing the job this morning.